Hey, welcome back to the channel, y'all. What's good? It's a bit cold out here because of all that rain. So people still showed up. This is the social meet. They doing a meet and greet where they got people like food influencers inside Wingstop and another person somewhere else. I don't know. And they're doing a hot chip challenge today. So I don't know. Maybe Cody can do the hot chip challenge or whatever. You get a free drink and some wings. If you do the hot chip challenge. Whatever wings you want.
What chip?
It's the hottest chip. It's just one chip.
Oh, it's that one?
It's the one chip.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Yeah, so if you good with the one chip, you get whatever wings you want and a soda for free.
Bet.
So we gonna try to see. We're gonna see what Cody could. Cody hungry. I guess Cody hungry. So we gonna get out here. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on though. Ooh, that 392. It's the 392. Oh, Cody said this is like a Tesla Plaid, I guess. Hey, what kind of Tesla is this? Oh, Cody got it. Cody said that's a Tesla Plaid. Nobody can gap this nigga. So yeah, he got it right. Ooh, that hole is nasty though.
0 to 60.
They pulling in by the boatload. As always. And y'all see it in my lifted up truck right here. Ooh, that bitch so nasty. I know it. And my dream car. My dream car right there, y'all. Look at it. But y'all know we came here for the other cars too. God damn, my nigga, what is you doing? Don't crash shit. He hit that pothole. Uh-oh. I think he here for the meet, though. That nigga got a mask on in the passenger was I tripping? What the fuck? Big ass dick. Wow. I can be here all day for this shit. That's gonna tear everybody's shit the fuck up, bro. That pothole in Texas, bro. God damn. Cruising in. The Honda boys. Them boys coming in slowly. Yes, sir. Blue and orange. But I got them Hoover covers right there, bro. Pikachu stay coming. Wherever I go, I be seeing him. Wherever I go, I see him. And this nigga too. They must be friends or some shit. Right here, nasty, big. With the white rims and shit. Ooh.
If you check them out on TikTok,
bro, look at this.
We got 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Let's see if we can do it.
Dino soup.
We need some leche. Hey, y'all get the leche ready, man. Get some tissue ready, cuz. Pretty good.
You wearing a dino suit.
Check out the fit, man. Y'all give it up one time for the fit. You got a dinosaur foot. Give it up one time. Yeah. You got a tight stereotype. 1 minute, you got 1 minute.
I'm talking out here.
say it to you. Oh, you getting hot? You getting hot? Y'all get him some water ready. Get him some water ready. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it up for him, man. He did it. Hey, if y'all want to try, y'all can sign up right there with the man Jay with the Tiki Tacos.
That whole nasty. Cody like this, bitch. I'm gonna show y'all where he got his rap done at in Houston, Texas. That whole bad. I got my money on Chris, I ain't gonna lie. Usually I would have my money on it's the nigga in the damn basket for me. What they got going on? I don't even know what I want. There's so many people driving the same goddamn car. I don't know what.
Why he told me he's struggling?
He got Bluey on that hoe on me. That's all me. Oh, I miss my truck. My truck was better than that hoe. Man, I miss my mother. Too many fucking people. I mean, they live, but it's too many people got a motherfucker. I gotta get a closer look. Do my baby, right? Do my baby, that's my baby. That's my baby. Oh, fuck, these niggas got a huddle over here? That's my baby. Ooh, Mopar shooter. TRX. Ooh, I can't wait. Come on. Come on, you two. Come on, y'all. I can't wait. That's my baby. Yeah. Woo!
That's why I stick to older cars. If you ain't got that money to play with,
I said it. He don't care.
he got in his feelings about that
What this nigga doing, bro?
Yeah, they're shutting it down, y'all.
Why? That nigga looked like he was going to the bathroom. Nigga, fuck him. Niggas can't have shit. That nigga went in there and went in the bathroom. Now I got my video. I parked way over there anyway. So it is what it is. Niggas is leaving for real because this nigga with his lights on. Them niggas just driving around. And there's another one somewhere over there. Like they can't shut shit down. This been promoted. Wingstop and motherfucking Tiki Taco is promoting this shit. We can't never have nothing in Houston. Ain't nobody doing shit. Hey! He say, fuck that nigga. The week ain't never had shit, bro. Niggas is leaving for real. This is ridiculous. Fuck up out of here. The other one way over there, y'all look. He's like way over there. Look. Part of this shit is being hosted by Wingstop and the Tiki. Who? Dude, turn his lights off. This is what happened when you what?
The one that's on the mic right now, he don't want to promote it.
Yeah, he hosting it. The Tiki Taco and Wingstop. They gotta get the fuck up out of here. Almost look like Lambo. Hell, nasty. The rims on that bitch, I don't know if I got this car or that car. Ooh, shit. Boy, parked the tracky back here. He should have parked that bitch up there.